Well, hi folks, welcome to Kitchen Tips Online. On this video, I'm going to show you how to restore those wooden spoons, those tired, worn out wooden spoons. And I'm going to show you how to restore them until they look absolutely brand new. And also, I want to remind you, if you have a tip that you'd like to share, just leave it in the comment section, and if I use it in a video, I'll give you a shout out. Let's get started. The method I'm about to show you can be used on any wooden handles you happen to have in the kitchen. Over time, the natural oil in the wood tends to dry out and needs to be replaced. And when it comes to that oil, let's talk about the type of oil you definitely don't want to use. It's very important not to use vegetable oil because it can go rancid and get moldy on the handle over time. To get started, grab a throwaway paintbrush and generously apply a kitchen-friendly food-grade oil to the wooden surfaces of your utensils. Make sure to coat them evenly, paying extra attention to any dry or rough areas. Once you've applied the oil, allow the utensils to rest for about 30 minutes. This gives the wood enough time to absorb the oil and regain its natural luster. After about 30 minutes, use a clean rag and wipe off the excess oil. And there you have it. Your wooden-handled utensils are now rejuvenated as good as new using a food-grade mineral oil. Thanks for watching.